Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete page on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then make sure you have login with that same page which you want to delete. Once you make sure you have login with that same page, just simply tap at the line in the top right corner to come to that menu section. Once you come to menu section, just simply tap at the gear to open up settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, just simply tap at search setting and here search for delete. Once you search for delete, just simply you will get the option of delete page and information. Just simply tap on it, and once you come to that option, so here you can have to tap at delete page and tap continue again and scroll down and tap at continue. So here it will ask you to submit your password. Just simply give your password, and the final step, it will ask you to continue, and just simply tap at continue. That's the very last and final step. Here it says that you can reactivate your Facebook group once you tap at delete within 30 days by just simply logging in with your main Facebook profile, on which profile this page has created. Just simply tap at delete page to delete it. It will redirect you to your main Facebook profile. It will just take a while. Just simply it will switching. Here you can see it has switched. So you can also do undo. You have 1 to 2 seconds chance to undo it. So that's how you can easily delete page on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video helped you and you learn how to delete a Facebook page in a proper way, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye till the next video, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen.